Hot Wheels, and more Hot Wheels. Hi guys, it's Marky. I'm gonna show you 15 Hot Wheels. I'm opening up 3 5-packs, including the new motor show. We're gonna see all these cars. I'm gonna review all of these beautiful Hot Wheels for you. They're all pretty nice. Just awesome looking. And we'll take a closer look at each one to see all the cool details. Some nice colors. Beautiful Hot Wheels. They look so cool. All right, cool. So from the motorsport, the new, motor show right here, motor show, new Hot Wheels 5-pack. We have this Renault, big wing in the back. Renault Sport. That's what it says right there on the side. Check out that back view, rear end, looks amazing. Some really cool exhaust showing there. Blacked out wheels on this one with some beautiful white colors, kind of like a matte or flat white. And we do have this piece of plastic showing through. It's like red plastic, not part of the base. Looks like it's a part of the interior. You can see the red inside. All the windows are rolled up here on the sides. Big windshield in the front. And it's a bright red there, but it's so dark the windows are kind of tinted. And we do have the Renault Sport up here in front. RS01. Hot Wheels 01 on the hood. Black stripe and the orange stripe. We do have the 01 on the door. Hot Wheels logo back here. Little red stripe down here. RS01. Again, the blacked out wheels. And that giant wing in the back. It looks awesome. Has a lot of little details casted or sculpted in the mold. Looks so cool. The base is kind of plain. Copyright 2015 on this casting, made in Indonesia. Very cool. Of course, it rolls super nice. These Hot Wheels with their plastic wheels, they roll so fast and so smooth. All right, so that's the first one. Let me move these boxes over here. Then we have a Viper. In a nice blue color. It does have a little ring around the tire there in a chrome. And blacked out towards the middle. Kind of plain color-wise in the back, but some nice casted details. Of course, 2-door car. And it looks like we have a bigger wheel in the back. There's the exhaust on the side, right behind the door. It is a left side driver. There's no mirrors on this one. We do have the nice white racing stripes going all the way down from the front all the way to the back. Here's the top view. Looks pretty cool. Really nice front end. The lights look amazing. So awesome. It's a really cool looking Viper. Let's check out the markings and the base here. Made in Indonesia. Hot Wheels P35. 2013 Viper. And it's copyrighted 2016. Very nice. Next one up is the Vulcan. Top view and side view. Check out that front end. Look at that. And you can see the wings sticking out in the back. Wow. Pretty amazing looking. Amazing looking car. This one comes like in a darker orange, like a metallic orange. It does have the badge in front, nice spoiler in plastic. Check out the lights, how low they look. Almost hidden. Way down there. Looks really cool. It does have a nice plastic running board. Big plastic top. Wing back here. So awesome. Sweet. Very cool. Let's see the markings on the base here. Aston Martin Vulcan P35 and the Hot Wheels logo, made in Indonesia, copyright 2018 Mattel. The base is pretty plain. Very sweet. Nice car. And then we have this one right here. It looks like a Jaguar. 4-door car, big wing on the back, metallic purple color. Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Copyright 2018, very plain looking base. Very nice color. We do have a little antenna up here. And look at all this glass all the way across. And we do have the mirrors on this one. It is a left side driver, like we drive in America, of course. 4 pipes showing on the back down here for the exhaust. We do have the Jaguar there, little name and the little Jaguar. Lights look awesome. Couple of little badges there. Little spot for the license plate. Gasoline access is on the right back fender there. Very cool blacked out wheels. Very, very nice. The grille looks really good. The little badge in the front. Then the plastic grille on the bottom with a little spoiler. And the lights look so cool. Really, really nice. Metallic purple color. I have so many variations of this, different color variations of this Jaguar. I think I have more than 5 different ones. I remember the orange, the green, the black, the red, and probably some other ones. Can't remember all of them right now, but that Jaguar comes in a lot of different colors. And check it out, a Lamborghini. It's like a mustard yellow with a red interior, so mustard and ketchup together. And we do have the lights there, little badge in the middle, little off center though. And we do have the plastic piece down here. And nice wing back here. And you can find this 5-pack right now at Walmart or Target stores. The Motor Show, it's called. Motor Show 5-pack. Again, this is a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Copyright 2013, made in Indonesia. And it's stamped P35. Pretty plain back here, down here. And there it is. Looking pretty cool. But it really reminds me of mustard and ketchup, for sure. All right, so that's it for the Motor Show 5-pack. You can see the name right here, Motor Show. And there are the names of the vehicles. So I'm glad this year they came out with the name on the vehicles. Copyright 2020, 2021. This is a 2022 5-pack with the new oversized logo that comes across down the edge here. And there it is, Motor Show. Let's move on to the next car. From the car meet 5-pack, we have 1999 Ford Mustang. Here's the top view, little side view. Lots of tampo work on the side, lots of brand names. Burnout lessons. That's pretty cool. Very plain looking front end. We do have the scoop there, windshield wipers, no mirrors on the side. Clear glass and a very light interior. You can see inside the bucket seats, a little console there. Made in Indonesia, 1999 Mustang. There's some exhaust showing here and a little bit of details down the middle. And it looks like these are the pipes here on the side. One on each side. Plain looking back end as well. It is like a metallic black with some silver sparkles in there. Silver flakes. Chrome red line on the wheels. Very cool with the blacked out spokes. It looks really cool from the side with all those colors on there. Mustang, 1999 Mustang. All right, and next up, Mitsubishi Eclipse. Mitsubishi Eclipse concept car made in Indonesia. Hot Wheels L27. It's a security car, security vehicle with a light bar on top. It is a left side driver, no mirrors on the side, no windshield wipers. We do have a big dome and plastic glass tinted in blue. Very, very nice. And you can see the seats in there, console down the middle, big dashboard. Here's the top view. There you go. Check out the wheels. Very cool. And it looks like we have some exhaust showing here in this little corner there, just on one side, right there. And we do have a little spot for the license plate, a little badge up here for the Eclipse, and the lights there, but no extra colors. A lot of color on the side here. It is a silver, metallic silver color with those light blue tints. We have some light blue stripes, darker blue, Hot Wheels security, and the orange color. The badge right in front and the grille in plastic black showing through there. No extra colors for the lights, but there we go. Pretty cool little Mitsubishi Eclipse concept car with the light bar on top. And then next up, we have the BMW M3. BMW M3, stamped L27, made in Indonesia, copyright 2010, and you can see the exhaust heading towards the back, splitting up into 4 pipes right there. Let's go ahead and give it a little spin first. Dark interior, no mirrors on the side. We do have the windshield wipers on the glass. Left side driver, and there is a little antenna up here. We do have the little handles and the lock and key there, painted over in white. The front end is all white. with the grille in silver showing through, a darker silver. We do have some nice colors on the top here on the hood with the badge, BMW badge, the light blue, dark blue, and the orange color. Same thing on the side, same colors, really cool combination. And we do have the little M there. Little white stripe on the blacked out wheels. And look at that. Hot Wheels logo, you can barely see it, but there's a silver Hot Wheels logo on there against the white. Barely noticeable, but it's there. Very, very cool. BMW M3. And then we have a 55 Chevy Belair gasser with the gold wheels. Tusky Chevrolet 55 Hot Wheels drag strip. That's a beauty right there. And we do have the Belair name over here. It looks like it says Chevy here on the side, or not. No, maybe not. Looks like a 4.8V or something. I'm not sure. 427? 487? I don't know. I can't see it too well. Copyright 2012, Mattel. I'm sure you guys can see that better than me. Made in Indonesia, L25. Big fat wheels, fat tires in the back. Check out the exhaust coming out right from under the fender there. Big old engine. It's a chrome interior. Same color as the engine and the grille. Left side driver. No mirrors on the side. We do have this curved glass. The windows are rolled down, but we do have the little corner windows. And we have the windshield, all clear glass, and the curved back glass too. It's really nice. It's really kind of really cool. Red color with the black and silver and the gold against it. Looks really good with the gold wheels too. Everything's matching pretty nice. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Very nice. Really cool gasser. Really cool gasser. Looks good. And Subaru Impreza with the gold wheels, metallic blue color, STI 51, gravel rally crew. Big wing on the back with these compartments there. Little exhaust showing over here in the corner. Big spot for the license plate. We do have all the lights all molded there, and the die-cast looks pretty cool. It's like a dark silver interior or gray. It's glossy, kind of has like a shine to it. The windows are rolled down in the front. It is a 4-door vehicle. Wow, all this is all plain blue, all metallic blue color. And you can see through here. You can see in there, there's nothing there. It looks like if there was a piece there, but there's nothing there. Here's the base. It's kind of like a silver, metallic silver color base. Made in Indonesia, copyright Mattel, L27. Hot Wheels logo, the Subaru Impreza STI. There's the side view, isn't that pretty? Black and light blue colors with the pink STI letters and the Hot Wheels logo in pink against the black. Looks really cool. This one comes from a really cool 5-pack. Really awesome. The car meet. Awesome 5-pack. And here's the box for the car meet. It says car meet on it, and you see the 55 gasser there and the Mustang. Very, very cool. Has the names for all the cars. This one goes back to 2018, 2017 is the copyright. Probably came out 2018. Very, very cool. And then the next one, check it out. 2011 Corvette in gold. It's kind of like a flat gold, flat color, matte color, with a light interior, left side driver, no mirrors on the side, no windshield wipers. Don't see any little antenna on this one. We do have the chrome wheels, bigger tires on the back, much taller than the front. Copyright 2010 on this one, made in Indonesia, L27. And it's a 2011 Corvette Grand Sport. You can see the grille showing through in plastic. We do have the little spoiler there in the front. Corvette name on the bottom. Blue stripes, light blue, and then the silver and possibly like a white stripe at the end there. You can see the blue lines, the blue stripes here are all outlined by this other stripe, light color there. Hot Wheels logo back here in a light blue. We do have the big piece of glass in the back and the big windshield in the front. You can see a really nice dashboard. Really cool. I do wish they had painted the lights on the back end here at least. 4 pipes showing on the back, a little spot for the license plate. Looking really cool. Nice Corvette, 2011 Corvette Grand Sport. Grand Sport. So awesome. And we also have this Plymouth Cuda. It's the Plymouth 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda. A nice metallic green. This one really sparkles. Light interior, you can see inside. There are no mirrors on the side there on the doors. We do have the little handles on the doors painted over in green. It's a nice metallic green, kind of with gold flakes in there. That's what it looks like to me. It's got a little wing here on the back and these beautiful stripes in black with the dotted stripes in the front and then the dotted stripes here over the door. Little Hot Wheels logo in red or orange there. It's hard to tell the color. It's kind of weird. And we do have the exhaust showing right behind the door on both sides. You can see that there. Made in Indonesia, L27. Copyright 2008 Mattel, that back here on the back end there. Really nice Cuda. 1970. All green in the front, no extra colors. We do have the scoops here, little locks on the hood. And we have the word or the name Hemi right there. Nice Hemi Cuda. Now, I believe the first year treasure hunt started, 1995, I believe. There was a Hemi Cuda in green as part of the treasure hunts. I think so. I think it was part of the first run of treasure hunts, 1995. So sweet. It does look amazing. Rolls really nice, smooth. Smooth as can be. Beautiful. And then we have another Corvette. This one comes in a dark metallic blue. Hot Wheels performance parts, Hot Wheels graphics, a bunch of different logos on there. Manfredi, Leeway, Colucci. Very cool with the orange stripe on the blacked out wheels. Taller wheels in the back. About the same width. Very plain silver base, kind of like a metallic silver. Silver base. Corvette C6R. And it's a 2005. Silver interior, left side driver. No mirrors on the side on this one. Do have a big scoop here. All these little ridges here are vents. Big wing on the back. And the wing is plastic. Usually they make them out of metal, but this one has a plastic wing. So did the Vulcan. The Vulcan had the plastic wing. But it's a beauty. Wow, so nice. Here's a top view. Got a little garbage there. Really nice top view there. Windows are rolled down, you can see inside. And it just has that one bucket seat for the driver, and the rest is just racing equipment, as you can see in there. Very, very cool. Nice looking Corvette. A C6R, and you can see it says right there, C6R. HW Performance Parts. Sweet. Looks so, so nice. And we have another Dodge Viper, this time a convertible. It's a metallic dark gray or dark silver. Does have the little silver specks in there. Orange, white, and silver stripes on the side. We do have the orange stripe on the bottom as well. The Dodge name right there. Very, very nice. Hot Wheels logo in black. The back is kind of plain, all just gray. We do have this bar up here. Nice rounded windshield on this one. Feels a little loose. It just moves. Orange interior. Left side driver. Very cool Hot Wheels. Nice front end, but all gray, no extra colors. Chrome wheels. And here's the top view. This looks like it might be the gasoline axis right here. And same thing again on the back, all plain with a little spot for the license plate, and the lights are nicely casted in there. Little vents down here, very cool. Little extra color would make this really complete. Let's give him a little spin. Dodge Viper convertible. How does he look next to the non-convertible, the hardtop version? Well, they're different years, so they totally look different. Look how much smaller the glass got. Yeah, it got longer, didn't it? Got a little longer. Very cool. And the last one, guys, number 15 here, is the Mustang funny car. Another Mustang, this time the funny car. Wow, look at that. Be cool if we could open it, but it's locked in place. Here's the top view, really nice glossy red. And we have some tint on the windows. Front end, look at that, looks amazing. So cool. Hot Wheels hustle. That's what it feels like when we're out there hunting for Hot Wheels. It's the Hot Wheels hustle. Very cool, look at this. That's awesome. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but those are 2 parachute packs, I believe. If you guys know, let me know. And I appreciate that, guys. Big giant tire in the back. Gold wheels on this one. Really cool combination with the black, gold, the light blue and white. Oh, it looks good. All the graphics on this one look really good. Love the exhaust showing here in the front. 4 pipes on each side. And can we make out the year on there? It's kind of hard to see that. Can't figure out the year. Ford Mustang. Copyright is 2010. And that might be a 2010 year right there on the Ford Mustang. I don't know. Looks like it could be 11 or 10. I'm not sure. It looks like there was a hit on there. It could be a 0, something else. I don't know. There it is. Looks awesome. The gold wheels look so good with this color. It's a great combination. Very cool, funny car. These things are so crazy and so loud. If you've ever been to the drag strip, these things are so loud. Very, very loud. And they shake when they take off. They're like, they got so much power. It's like they fly. All right, so this one comes from the Hot Wheels Horsepower 5-pack. And they're the ones that came, the Corvette, the Cuda, the other Corvette C6, the Dodge Viper Convertible, and the Mustang funny car. And this one is also 2017 copyright. Here's the drawing on it, or the graphics on it. You can see the Cuda right there, so nice. If it had all those colors, man, it would look so much nicer. On the front end there. Hot Wheels Horsepower. Very, very cool. An awesome 5-pack. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, checking out these 15 Hot Wheels. I just enjoyed it so much. These cars are amazing. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video.